So what does the magician do when he gets frustrated? He pulls his hair out because you pull the rabbit out the hat.
Perfect.
Ooh, I'm excited for this one. Don't know which one to go for first. Right, broskies, it's been a little while since we did a double unboxing, but on today's episodes, it's about right we do it. So one pair of sneakers have just come out and one pair is due out on Air Max Day. And yes, technically you already know what they are because it's in the thumbnail and it's in the title. But I have to build up suspense, you know? But without further ado, I'm gonna leave the best till last. So let's start off with the white cement freeze. Now I am going to be doing a review for both of these sneakers, so don't worry about that. I just wanted to do an unboxing for both of them because one, I'm really scared about the QC because there's tons of stuff going on the internet, and the other one's not even out yet, so I don't know what to expect, and I'm hoping it's all good news. Oh yes, look what we have here. Just look at it. The age look is exactly what I'm digging. Like a miner. Call me a miner, baby. Can you see the product sticker? So the official colorway is Summit White, Fire Red and Black. Nothing white cement about it there. So as we open it up, we get a bit more of that age look in there that we got. I can hear the cat in the back. That's not even my cat, bruh. Right, have a look at this. Oh, baby, baby. Same what we had with the Fire Reds, to be fair. What the shoe's made of, the design, of course, and all the assets to it. And it also has the age look to the pamphlet as well. Right, moment of truth for the QC, ladies and germs. One's okay, it's a bit tumbled, I like it. Very tumbled on the mid panels. Not so much on the toe box, but of course, with time, that should tumble a little bit more. Heel tabs looking really cool, I like it. Let's take both of them out and see what we're dealing with. It could have been worse. That's all I'm gonna say. The right side's more tumbled than the left, but I guess, like I said, over time, it won't be as bad or as noticeable. So, just like a misdiagnosed patient, I'm not too mad, you know? I'm not too mad. I'm hoping the B-roll shots do get it better on camera because it's noticeable, to be fair. I can't lie. But I've seen some pictures, bruh. I've seen some pictures where I wouldn't even keep them. But yeah, apart from the toe box area, the mid panels, it's okay, man. The elephant print's okay. Nothing to complain about there. And of course, thickness, like the cushioning isn't as great as the True Blues or the Fire Reds, which is pretty interesting. They've really taken out a lot of padding on this, you know. That is ridiculous. Now look at that. Can you see how big the Fire Red is compared to the white cement Reimagined? Because I can defo see that and feel that. That is ridiculous. But we'll see how they fare on foot because the white cements are just amazing to look at, especially in this Reimagined look to it, the age look that they've got going on. I can't complain too much if I'm really honest. I mean, a lot of people didn't get them, which I'm surprised about. I thought like they'll be really easy to cop. There are some restocks going on at the moment as well, and I'm very glad to have these at retail as well. Foot Locker, shout out to you. My first raffle win with you guys. Now, a quick story before I move on to the next shoe. I actually ordered these twice off StockX to get them in early for a review. I actually cancelled both of them because they took too long to ship. By the time the second pair would have come in, it would have been after release date, so it would have been no point. Like the first pair I almost paid about £400 for, which is ridiculous. Second pair was about $280, which isn't too bad. And then I thought, nah, it's just not worth it. So I spent my money that I would have spent on the white cement freeze on the next pair you're gonna see, and I think it's a lot more worth it, and I'm hoping it is a lot more worth it because there's a lot of buzz, there's a lot of talk about this shoe, and it's an OG. It's the first one technically ever. In fact, it's the first one before the first one, but we'll talk more on that in a little bit. But with that out of the way, I think it's about time we unboxed it, don't you? And I'm saying my prayers, Bismillah, that it's a good pair. The QC's all good, and they're actually legit. Oh, no, this box, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can we just have a look at that? Wowza. That's like see-through here. Crazy. Is that the Alpha Mark series? I'm sure they had 5 dots for the Alpha. But look at this. It's very similar to the age look on the Lost and Founds and the old white cement freeze. Oh, it's not actually a pop top lid. Okay, so it's a fold out lid. Of course, if you don't know by now, it is the Nike Air Max 1 86 OG. Product sticker does say white university red as well. As we open the box up, Ooh, baby. Do you know what? They're not as bad as pictures were making it out to be and other things and stuff. But here we have it. An early pair of the Air Max 1 86 OG Big Bubble. Of course, this is based off Tinker the Winker Hatfield's sketch before the Air Max 1 came to fruition. Hence, the massive air bubble compared to the actual shoe itself, which I found pretty cool. I mean, it's going to be standing out from a retro, like a normal Air Max 1 retro. But at the same time, I can see why a lot of people were mad that they didn't actually just retro the Air Max 1. But it's just amazing. I love it. Honestly, I love it. You got like the little size number here. You see there? Got number 10, obviously US 10. Nike Air at the back, which I'm loving. The mud guards, that OG red, that massive big bubble. I love it. Outsole is looking clean. OG vibes. I can't wait to do a proper review. This one was sort of out of the blue, this sort of unboxing video, because I was on a treadmill, got a knock. One parcel came, I was like, okay, cool. Second parcel came, I was like, okay, let's stop this treadmill. Let's get into this unboxing because I can't wait. You know what, let me try one on to see how the sizing is. 1 second. Because some Air Max 1s for me do fit a bit big. It's normally those sort of suede pairs, but this one actually feels okay. Now that's fine. That's fine. There's a little wiggle room, don't get me wrong. I think you could get away with half a size down, but it will be a bit too snug, if you're asking me, my opinion. But it's okay, true to size. I might even try and go for a second pair on release, but we will see, we will see. I can't wait. Air Max Day, March 26th. They're probably gonna do a whole event about it, and it is going to be pretty cool. I'm gonna hopefully try and just spend the day on there, on like the sneakers app or something. I love it, I do. Right, that's enough waffle from me over here, but I'm very excited to get these done in terms of a proper review. I'm hoping you like this sort of unboxing style as well. And let me know out of the two, which one you actually prefer over the other. I can't lie, I'm an Air Max head, but the white cement freeze might just take the crown for me. And a lot of talk about sneaker of the year, and so far, I've got to say it might be true. But anyways, broskies, I'm gonna love you and leave you there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And till the next episode, take care.